Majesty on the move.
I'm dangerous cause I'm a play me buku baka san suna na ba kawai kace me garin.
Okay king kuma me garin duk wani area kaya na riga na gama da kidan nan daya biyu uku kaga dole in siya kiyan nan wanda ake takama da ita a Najeriya nan. Back sabas ka sani nake ba su jikin nan in baka san suna na ba kira ni da me garin nan yau kaman kayan da suka squeezing haka nake ka sani baka goge ba to lalle zaka ji kunya. Baka taba rabon wasan kasa wannan da yaro haka baka taba raba dan da ko wannan da baro haka baka taba raba dalibi wannan da biro haka zalika ai baka raba jahili da zero jarumi suke kira na cause they know me I'm a hero and take about the money cause kudi ke magana you pity when you tell me gonna take you to jail nobody can do anything cause nowhere to just so funny can I be having come a monkey with just so it's time keep it gonna ring the bell ha shout out to my manager dole kula da kai saboda kana da daraja breaking the break if I kill ya man let me say boy I got two fingers while me do this for the haters and I'm cruising in my Benz jealousy go kill you haters ina da Benz kala gashi ina da chihuahua abin da ya rage mu in siya ko private jet one over can and everybody feeling me da na saka sai ka gani cause all of them they feeling me I'm rap addict ai abun na jinin jikina ne can cikin kashin da ke jinin jikin kashin jikina ha I won't stop just I've been doing this for years kuma ka ga till I'm married ko result ina ka je ka duba I was not married making it better with all you niggas know me say I'm famous yeah I'm telling you to bana dauka rain hope you got it I was born with it I mean hip hop you got it I'm out I don't
I'm taking over. Hello, Cassius.